I don't know about you guys. I'm getting tired of this, man. Come on, man. All right, so I just want to get you guys a little bit of a before clip here. These are the stock taillights that came on the car. They get the job done. They do what they're supposed to do. But I was trying to get something a little bit more modern, maybe LED. And that is exactly where these babies come into play. So let's talk about it. All right, so these are the taillights we're gonna be installing today. They are by Spider. If you wanna take a screenshot, that is the part number, SKU, all that stuff, if you're interested in getting these for yourself. All right, guys, welcome back. So long story short, I found these listed on Facebook Marketplace, brand new, in the box, still sealed. I reached out to the guy, I wanted to get up with them and pick these babies up. So let's go ahead and pop these things in and kind of see what we're working with. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous about it just because of the simple fact that taillights, I feel like, are one of those things that a lot of times when you look at aftermarket options for them, they can kind of come off as like tacky or like doing too much. This brand and this design style wasn't too fancy, but it was enough to kind of give it an extra little, you know, modern touch, which is what I liked. So I don't know though, you don't really know how these things are going to look until you actually put it on your car and check it out for yourself in person. So who knows? We're gonna throw them on my car. If they look good and I'm happy with them, that's great. If I'm not a huge fan of them, I guess the stock ones will stay on, and I'm out of $250. So let's get into it and see what we got going on. And I'm telling you guys, do not sleep on Facebook Marketplace. Keep an eye out, especially for car parts, man. If you could save yourself some money, and especially in situations like this, where these things are literally brand new, in the box still, in the plastic. There's the tail light for you, as you can see. Relatively simple design with LEDs here in the center. This is supposed to be a solid lighting up beam, which is going to look nice. And they are supposed to be plug and play, meaning super easy installation. We will see if that is if that's true in a second here. But yeah, man, keep an eye out on Facebook Marketplace. You never know what you could find. And these babies are looking crispy. Don't mind me, I just got a little junk in the trunk, but I didn't really think about it. I do have the stock factory subwoofer on this side, which is going to kind of give us a little bit more of a complex thing on that side. Whereas on the passenger side here, I believe we are going to be undoing this one right here. This should just be counterclockwise with my hand. Should be able to spin that off, pull down the trunk liner, and there should be two more of those. So we'll pop those off and get her going. All right, you take that first one off, and there's going to be another one behind that plug there that you can see. So we're going to remove that, take out that plug, and then there is another one up top. So two more of those things you got to screw off with your hand, and then the plug. I'm guessing slide out that orange pin and just pull off that whole harness, and the taillight should be free. All right, so after you unscrew those three fasteners, you can see you're able to kind of pop out that tail light. So you kind of got better access to that electrical harness that's in there. That orange tab is what you need to remove in order to be able to completely detach that. So this side right here, the closest side that you could see that orange, you're gonna pull it towards us this way and completely remove that so we could go ahead and pull that out. So there's the fasteners. This is the tab. Go ahead and use like a flathead screwdriver to kind of wedge it under. There's like a lip right here to pop it out, and then you just unclip that harness. You'll be left like that. That's your hookup for the new headlight, or tail light rather. And there is the old one. Let's go ahead and get in this box and get a new one. All right, so there we have it. Looking really, really nice. I'm trying to see. Okay, yeah, there is a bulb down there. All right, so as you can see on the back, it's got those same screws that where the fasteners go around, and then there's just this one plug. All the wires running to this one plug. So we should be able to throw this baby in and see how she looks. All right, so that's basically how she's gonna look. But before we go ahead and put those fasteners back on, I just wanna turn on the lights to make sure we actually got power and these things are doing what they're supposed to do. So let's go ahead, cut these on. Oh yeah, man. Woo-hoo-hoo! Dang, those are bright, dude. I didn't expect it to be that bright. Wow. Man, so as you can see, that just looks crazy, man. It's got like a crazy little effect to it with that. It's that beam around the edges that really kind of modernizes it. But fitment is how it should be. Everything's lining up good. As you saw, it was completely plug and play. Let's go ahead and tighten these fasteners back up so we could take care of the other side. And speaking of the other side, once again, we just took the car from that to that. Dude, that's crazy. Like, what a difference a pair of taillights can make on the whole backside of the car. It's wild. Obviously, this side's going to be a little bit more interesting, having to remove the subwoofer, but let's go ahead and get to it so we can see what the final product looks like with both taillights installed and this trunk lid down. All right, and just like that, we got this other side in. I didn't film it. It was literally the exact same thing as that first side, but there was just that one bolt you had to take out for the subwoofer. But this is how they look. Let's go ahead and turn these babies on so you can get the full effect. Boom. So just like that, we got her all dialed in. Let me try to lower this a little bit. There you go. So as you can see, a lot brighter, a lot nicer. I don't got anyone to press down on the brake pedal for me so you guys can see the center where it lights up, but all LEDs there that light up. Super nice look to them, super clean. Definitely modernizes the back end of the car a little bit, so not too shabby at all. Clean, man. Really happy with them. So that's going to conclude it there, man. If you guys are looking to modernize your car a little bit, getting a set of new aftermarket taillights isn't a bad idea at all. Really freshens up the back end of the car. But drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. And as always, we will see you guys on the next video. Peace!